Hello. The purpose of this presentation is to show how to add a RevSys petroleum stream property to the HYSYS workbook. If you open a HYSYS workbook, normally these properties aren't there, so you need to add them. So the way we do this is as follows. You would start with a some RevSys flow sheet. Here we have a simple one with a sample feed stream sitting in it. I will go up into the tools on the menu. I will open that menu up. I will select workbook. So please select workbook. Now in the normal HYSYS way, I've selected a workbook. I have a simple one case. Please go to view, push on the view button to open the view to the workbook. Now inside the workbook, I will maximize it. Now I can see the complete workbook. I don't have a lot of information here, and in particular I don't have my properties, my petroleum properties I want to see. How do I add them? I would go down to the tab, Material Streams. I would right click on the tab, then I go ahead and choose Setup. Once I'm in the Setup, I get a new view here. I want to go to the area called Variables, and I want to add a variable. So please click on the Add button. Once I click on the Add button, I now will have this browser to look for various variables. And here is something that's very important to recognize. As I go down this list of information that I can add to this view, I have to select Calculator. It's critical you pay attention to this. There is, to get access to the petroleum stream properties, you have to go through this Calculator feature. So please select Calculator. Then we will get more specific information, and now we see the properties we want. I will do one simple one at this point. I'll say I want to see the API gravities on my report, and so I select the API gravity. I say OK, and now you'll see it's been added to my report. So now I can close, and it's part of my workbook. And so I can continue this way with that same feature to add more and more variables. And if I want, I can use the other feature of the HYSYS workbook to reorder these in any way I want. So anyway, the purpose of this presentation was to show how to add these properties to a HYSYS workbook to make the HYSYS workbook, more powerful and friendly in your RevSys cases. Thank you very much.